Creating comparison articles or listicles using AI is a game changer for boosting content productivity. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to create content that compares products, services, or any set of items, stick around because I'm going to show you how to do it in just 3 minutes. First off, the beauty of using AI for these articles is the ability to gather and structure information quickly. Whether you're comparing tech gadgets, software tools, or even financial services, AI can pull relevant data and organize it into a format that's easy to digest for your readers. To start, input the core comparison elements you want to cover. For example, if you're comparing two software tools, list out key features, pricing, pros, cons, and anything that will matter to your audience. AI can instantly generate these data points for you without you having to spend hours researching. Next, structure the comparison. You can use a simple table format, a bullet point list, or even an in-depth pros and cons section. This software we're using today will help you choose the best layout based on the type of content you're creating and the preferences of your readers. It's really as easy as telling it what you want and letting it create the structure for you. Once the data is organized, it's time to refine and personalize it. You might want to add your own insights or tone to make the article feel less robotic. AI can also help you improve readability by suggesting simpler wording, making your content more accessible to a wider audience. For comparison articles or listicles, you don't need to do all the heavy lifting. Let the AI suggest headings, subheadings, and even product names for your list. It can generate content based on real-time data, pulling information directly from the web so your comparison stays relevant and up-to-date. One key feature to pay attention to is AI's ability to tailor content based on your audience. If you're creating listicles for a specific niche, say tech enthusiasts or small business owners, the software can adjust the tone and language accordingly to make sure it resonates with the right people. This means you don't just create content faster, you create better targeted content. If you've ever found it hard to get started or worried about writer's block, AI is your new best friend. It accelerates your writing process, makes your content creation more efficient, and keeps you on track to produce consistently high-quality articles. Now, before we close out, a quick reminder. I've tested out some of the most popular AI tools for creating comparison articles and listicles, and I've got a special free trial for you to try the software we're using today. It's exclusive for viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it in the description below. So, the key takeaway here is, AI can take your content creation to the next level by helping you structure comparison articles and listicles quickly and efficiently. You can input the core details, let AI organize them, and then refine the content to make it uniquely yours. To recap, get started by choosing your comparison elements, use AI to structure and organize your article, and then refine the content to suit your audience. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software in the description, and you'll be creating comparison articles and listicles faster than ever. Thanks for watching.